Hello friends, I am your Thusharam. In this video, we are going to see about how to make a mobile stand for this online classes. Basically, it was a problem how to keep our phone. That's why I made this idea. Please watch till end. Take a pair of strings. One should be 70 centimeter and one should be 4 to 5 centimeter. And then a sellotape. I should prefer this insulation sellotape, which should be safe for us. And then a scissor and a thread. I using thread. You can also use a flexible thread, and then a piece of cardboard and a cutting plier. First take the small string and bend it like this as shown here, and then bend other in the opposite direction like this. Okay, now it's done. Next we can take a thread or the string and we tie that to the smaller end like this how I tied, and press that, then it will looks like this. Take a long string and bend it as I shown in this video. You should bend it as such how I have bended, then only it can be easy and correct as mine. Complete bending it's looked like this. In this two end we have to glue it. I used hot glue gun for gluing it. You can use anything you have. At first I told to take a insulation tape. The use of this is to wrapper the string using that insulation tape. Then it looks like this. You should wrap the tape like this over the string, and then take the piece of cardboard and stick that model on the cardboard like this, and stick it on the cardboard like this. You can use any glues also. Now it's done. It is secondary optional which we can use, but this is also a necessary thing, and you can do like this, which will be safe for our phone. See friends, now it's okay. If you want to be like kept like this, it will be okay. But my opinion is this is not a safest one, because when you lightly tilted also it may fall. So I am preferring, and it is also optional. You can keep or not, that is your wish. See, this is also safe only. Then also when you tilted or something done, it may fall down, so this should be done. If you are also preferring for safest, then tie this string to this one. You should tie out this is optional, how you're tying is your wish, but only one thing that is important, tie it strongly. Friends, strongly tied like this how I tied. Then see, now it's how good it was. It was very strong, I think. Friends, now it was completed. Just tell your wish in comment, and please like, share, and also subscribe our channel. Thank you, friends.